Anyway, welcome back to part 2 of...
Yeah, what is this part 2 of?
This is part 2 of part 2, isn't it? Because
right.
we did part 1 as one long one. This is part 2 of part 2 because we think it might be a bit long. If it isn't too long, we won't have made 2 parts. It'll all work out in the edit. Anyway, we've done the exhaust in the first part.
We have.
We are now, and I say we, the royal we, because Lee's always on the spanners.
Yeah, spanners.
So, rebuild, carb back on. The heat ducting deflector thing is on. All these are on now and tight. Everything's up. It's carb back on. The only issue we think we might have is obviously getting the accelerator and choke cable back on because they're a bit frayed. We'll see how we go. Join us, why not? Right, one thing that does need doing is we've got to change the alternator belt, because as we know that has stripped and I have a new one, so I'll get doing that while he's just gone to find a socket.
Can I have the half-inch there?
This is the half-inch. Hang on.
Oh, the 13mm.
Oh yeah, say I can't. The bloody alternator's a fucking half-inch and the bloody everything else is a 13. And what's going on?
Do it.
Loosening the top thing off so I can spin the alternator
Oh,
down to change the belt. Don't you loosen them off?
Yeah.
Sorry, Dad.
Let's see your lips up. I'll wait for your knuckles to go then. I'm gonna
I thought I'd rounded it off, to be honest, because it went all of a sudden, but it was okay. I think that's gone. Less teeth than a crackhead. Arsehole.
Oh.
I'll get it to go. It's one of them. If I don't take the bloody bolt out, the alternator won't drop far enough to get the thing on. You know what I mean? Don't make me fart. Push you.
Stop pissing about.
I'm not. The bloody alternator won't go.
Farting about.
Oh, I can't get. I know it's the right belt.
So much so, he strains and he farts.
I farted, Dad. I can't get the bloody belt to go over. You know what I mean? You seen that trick on the internet where they put a belt on and pull it and it works?
Yeah.
I can't make it do that.
Can't you do that?
No, I've got the alternator up as far as I can. It's the correct belt.
He says.
No, it is.
Yeah. Have a look. Can you do it that way?
What difference does that make?
Huh?
What difference would that make?
What difference does that make?
Yeah.
Or you've now got a bigger pulley to get it round rather than a really, really tight one. And sometimes you can get it to wind on. Nearly there.
Nearly there. I warmed it up for you.
Did you?
Yeah.
You got a really big doodah?
Yes, but don't tell the wife.
Okay.
What do you want? A screwdriver? That's not a big screwdriver.
No, it's not. That's just going to bend.
He's done it. So you can't do without him really, but don't tell him. I mean, is that tight enough, or does it want a big bar in it?
Yeah, put a big bar in it.
No, you know what I mean. There's a sort of, that's too loose, isn't
That's
it?
slack, yeah.
Yeah. So before
Don't do everything up.
no, well, basically,
Your pivot ones you want to leave tightish.
well, they are tightish. They're still
Okay. So you want to put a big bar in there.
a big screwdriver. I think it would be better with a crowbar. Don't seem to be getting the purchase.
Is it loose?
What?
No, the alternator is it loose?
What do you mean? Is it loose?
Can you? Oh, that's fine there. That's enough there.
It's sighting off?
Yeah.
Oh. Right, so I can tighten that one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tight enough?
Yeah.
And now just tighten the top pivot ones.
Yeah. That's okay.
I don't know what I'd do without you, you know.
Do it on your own. That's what you do.
I don't know how I coach years ago. Right, we're tight.
You tight?
Yeah, that's it.
Marvellous.
Right, let's get on with the carburetor.
Yeah.
Right, we got slightly carried away, remembering how it went.
Yeah.
Point to note, don't buy these off eBay, they're not right. Okay? So, yeah, you think they're right, but the positioning of the holes is wrong. Strange. Anywho, gasket glue to the rescue, luckily.
Temporary fix.
Temporary permanent. I mean, the plus side is it had hardly any gaskets on when we took it apart and it run.
True.
So, well, we can't do anything about it. At the minute, I could have made some with a cardboard thing, but yeah, you know, cornflake packet. But Lee thinks it'll be okay. I trust him. As we know, the cable was shitty at the end there, but we've just noticed it's actually been rubbing on the bulkhead and is knackered there. So I've got to get a new throttle cable. It won't affect
what we're doing.
What we're doing. The choke will work and we'll run it and pull the throttle there, but yeah, bit of a pig. Right, sorry about this everybody. I've been in the other shed looking for a throttle cable. Believe it or not, can you believe this? I've got a choke cable, a bonnet pull cable, a speedo cable, but no throttle cable, which is bloody annoying. However, as you know, we don't need a throttle cable to fire her up. So there you go.
I'll do this bit then. We've got fuel coming up. Go on then, we've got fuel. Hey! Yeah, go on. Yeah? Just give it a bit more choke. There we go. Go on. Oh, that's sweet!
It's very quiet compared to what it used to be.
Oh, listen to that!
Like a little sewing machine. Very good, Dad.
Let's go round the back. Do an exhaust note noise. I'm happy at that.
I mean, that's on full choke. Obviously, if we knock the choke off, it'll stall because there's no throttle, is there?
That's right. Awesome.
Well, that'll be good. Give her a rev from the back. Let's see what this little... Lovely. We'll kill ourselves if we're not careful. I said we'll kill ourselves if we're not careful. Full choke with the garage door shut. That's just burning off all the spray and stuff that we've had on the manifold.
Yeah.
We're off choke now, and obviously we've got no throttle cable, so we can't do anything about the tick over. We're just going to see if we can wind it up a little bit. Yeah. And yes, if you're aware, Lee says there is a tappet or two ticking. It's been a while since we've done the tappets. Oh, he wants to be a Sparky! King of the trades! How's that? That's better. We've had to put the garage door up because I'm starting to feel a bit faint.
Yeah.
That fan belt's going round and isn't going now. Shame about the throttle cable, but again, not holding us up. We've got to where we need it to be. We said we'd get a run in today.
And we have.
Yeah.
So we've had Agatha running for a good quarter of an hour, 20 minutes. All the oily stuff has burnt off and she's running really, really, really sweet. So we're just going to now see if we can get this throttle cable out. Obviously, Ricky is going to be inside.
The problem is, it'd be better from the other side, and I can't get in the other side because of the fucking...
Language, Timothy!
Sorry, Dad.
You want me to go under there?
Oh, what's that? That'll be why the heater don't work anyway.
Why?
That heater box, you know, the foam that's just turned to dust.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you'll see when you have a look. Don't hurt yourself going in there because it's not the end of the world if we don't do this. But
okay.
6'4" and fucking 18 stone ain't fitting down there.
Well, let's see if 5 foot buckle can get in there then. Right, so, viewers, there was a little spring clip.
Right, we're saying this because when we put it back together, we go,
how does it go back on?
we'll let you into a little secret. We watched last week's video back to put the carburetor back together because we forgot the order.
And that is the cable released.
Okay.
So we can now go out the other side under the bonnet.
Yeah.
And let's just pull it through. Cable holder is actually that itself.
Oh, that thing there where...
Yeah. And it'll be a pushing fit.
Oh, okay. Do you want a little electrical screwdriver to...
Yeah. Oh yeah, cable's knackered, isn't it?
It does seem to be.
Yeah.
Is that too little or do you want a bigger one?
So just to see if it pries.
What's your tingers?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And that's all the end is. Like a little racing bike one, actually.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's, like you say,
it's
blessing for small mercies that we actually did that because...
Yeah. It has actually snagged and pulled the inner lining out as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well...
There we go, viewers.
There we go, viewers. So what's going to happen is Lee thinks it may be the same as a Princess one and he thinks he's got some.
I'm sure I've got one at all.
If not, we'll order one, but we'll still order some, but we're just, you know... Not until we know, because if it is a Princess one, there's more search available, I suppose, as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
It is knackered, isn't it? I wonder how it was revving up.
Oh, yeah. Probably because we disturbed it, but yeah, that's definitely fried at that end.
Yeah. On you.
What?
If it was a one-parter...
If? Yeah.
This is the end of part one. If it was a two-parter, this is the end of part two. But yeah, it was a successful day. Exhaust went well. Really happy with that. We've just got to make the little tailpipe holder at the end, you know, where it fits and holds it up to stop it wobbling. But it's not knocking with the car running, which is great. The throttle cable, we'll sort that.
Yeah.
But it's not affected anything because, as we've said, the car's not going anywhere. So you're really happy with how it's gone.
Yeah.
I'm really happy.
The plan was to get it running,
and
get it all back together and running. So yeah, she is running really, really sweet as well, isn't she?
Yeah, a little tick, but nothing.
Nothing we can't sort out.
I think, to be honest, it's probably done that for a while, but because the exhaust was going, you couldn't hear it.
No, that's true.
It does sound really nice compared to how it sounds, and it sounds lovely at the back, to be honest, without the exhaust blowing. I think it's been compounded getting worse over the last few years, and I've just ignored it. as I do.
Like we do, don't we?
Yeah. But next video then, I think we're going to be cutting holes in there, aren't we?
Yeah, I think we're going to start finding out exactly what I need to weld.
Yeah. We'll have a cutting video. We'll get the screen out of the back because we know there's some nasties under there. And then we'll have a welding video, I think you said, didn't we? So if we do a bit of cutting next video, and it's not very long, we've obviously got the throttle cable to put back on and bits and bobs. We'll find something to do.
Oh, yes. We'll find something.
Over to you for the ending.
Right, thanks very much for staying tuned and watching. As usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as usual, take care of yourselves and each other. See you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bit of oil there.
So much power we have to sweat it out.
The reversing lights don't work.
Oh, I know. I ain't done the switch yet. Right.
Later.
See you soon.